Hey, you have decided to opt for CMRP exam and now you are confused which book to read. So this particular video is for you then. Here I have noted down all the books that the students or the people who passed CMRP exam have used. And I will also provide the ranking in which you should read these books and where from you can buy these books. So let's get started. So first of all, when you apply for exam, you should have the CMRP membership first because that reduces the exam fees by equivalent amount. So it is always better to have the SMRP membership before opting for the examination. And when you opt for the SMRP membership, you will get some online resources for free. And one of these online resources, Reliability Book of Knowledge. You should read this document first because uh, this is the body of the knowledge that you should have while giving the exam. So you read through this, and whenever you have some doubts in this body of knowledge, you can refer any of the following books. So one of them is Reliability Centered Maintenance by John Moubray. So this is a very good book if you want to understand what is RCM is and how this is really important. Okay, now again this book is only covers one chapter of CMRP exam, so you no need to go into very deep into this book. You can have some rough idea of what RCM is by reading this book. Second is a Practical Reliability Engineer by Patrick D.O'Connor. It is a very good book for reliability engineering, reliability modeling to understand the probability and statistics concepts. Again, this book is very deep and very broad range, so you no need to go into such deeps for passing the CMRP exam. So you can use this book as a reference whenever you have some doubts. And this book, this best practices by maintenance and reliability, this is, I would say, this is the best book to read for the CMRP exam because it covers all the concept outlined in all other books and in a very concise format and in a format that is required for passing the CMRP exam. So I would recommend reading this book at least 2-3 times before going into the examination. Next is the Toyota Way. So this book written by Chip Liker, this provides details about the operator based maintenance or total productive maintenance. So this total productive maintenance is again a particular chapter for CMRP exam, but no need to go into detail. You can have some rough idea and you can use this book as a reference. Then there is Maintenance Planning and Scheduling by Doc Palmer. So this book is Bible for people who are into maintenance planning and scheduling. So this book is again you can use it for reference. So I would say that out of these all books, you should read multiple times the Ramesh Gulati Best Practices Maintenance and Reliability book and the Reliability Book of Knowledge. Okay, and all other books can be used as reference. Again, if you do not like to read books, uh, then there are other resources then you can use, and one of them is obviously the Udemy course that you can use. And I have noted here one Udemy course that is actually very good course for this CMRP exam preparation. It contains about 10 hours of recorded video and 5 practice quizzes. One of the demerits of all the books I have mentioned is there is no practice quizzes in it, and by reading this book you will not get any idea about how the actual question will be in the CMRP exam. So in this practice quizzes you will get the idea about the actual tests, about the actual questions that will come in the exam, and also the recorded video covers all the important concepts. So if you go through these videos and and uh, and pass these practice quizzes, then this is enough for you to pass the CMRP exam. So I hope this video is useful to you. So please go ahead and register for the exam and start preparing. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Thank you.